Group of boys and girls, they go and start making these nice comments within the song. At the end of the day, some of them really get together. Some of them really are married after that love. It started with that song. We are we're actually at the very end of our program. Let me welcome President of NADA, Sandeep Sharma, for the closing.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I, as the president of the Nepali Association of Northwest Arkansas, would like to wish you a very happy Nepali New Year 2017. We are a registered student organization at the University of Arkansas, and every year we try to celebrate we try to deliver diverse programs in front of you. So we have like a guest speaker, which is more towards the academic side. And beside that, we also try to show all the people like what our culture is like. And most of the Americans, when we tell them that we are from Nepal, they are not exactly aware where Nepal is. So I'm sure like by today, you must have got a pretty good idea what and where exactly Nepal is. I don't want to delve into too much talk here. I'm sure everybody must be hungry. But at the end of every event, it is customary to thank all those people who made this event a success. Firstly, I would like to welcome all the participants on the stage. All the participants of today's program, please. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like all of you to give a big round of applause to all the participants. Thank you very much. Thank you. Today's events would not have been possible without the funding from the Associated Student Government. So I would like to thank the Associated Student Government from the University of Arkansas for providing funding for today's event. Ladies and gentlemen, when we think about a housewife, we usually take her for granted, like they are not working, so they must be free. But like managing home, managing husband, managing kids, it's really a tough job. And asking a favor on top of that, whatever she is doing, it's very difficult. Today, the decoration that you see behind would not have been possible without a huge help from a single person. That's why this whole decoration and everything was done by a single person, and she is Mrs. Basna Chetri Neopani. We would like to thank her for all that she's done today. Please come and say thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, once more a big round of applause for all this decoration. Thank you very much. I would like to thank Mrs. Rijana Pant, who helped us in getting costumes all the way from Nepal. So all the costumes that you see today have been delivered all the way from Nepal. Please give a big I would like to thank all the members of the Executive Committee of the Nepali Association of Northwest Arkansas for organizing this event. Thank you very much, guys. All the non-members, all the boys who showed up early in the morning and helped in setting up the stage and setting up all the tables. Umanga, Ashok, Anil, Ranjan, Hemanta, Kapil and stuff. A big round of applause for them too. guys are not tired of clapping, it's just few more. So, I would like to thank anchors for today, Bhushan Dai and Samita for doing a wonderful job. And of course, our advisor, Paras Dai. Where is Paras? Thank you very much. I would like to thank the family of St. Paul's Episcopal Church for providing us with this venue. This is a wonderful venue and I'm sure you guys agree with me. I would also like to thank the Nepali community of Rogers, Bentonville, Fayetteville, Fort Smith and Little Rock for all the help and support that they have given us. Thank you very much. And lastly, I would like to thank Chutneys and Hanuman for providing us with the wonderful food. I'm sure the food is great, you guys will agree with me. Finally, if I've missed anyone, I'm sorry, but I would like to thank all those who directly or indirectly helped in making this program a huge success. Thank you very much. And with that, I would like to call people for dinner. The dinner is at the back, same place where you have your snacks. So I think it would be better to start from the end. So the people at the end, if you'd like to move first and go towards the food, and we'll just kind of make it in an orderly fashion. So thank you very much. Yes, I forgot to thank the audience. I'm sorry, I forgot.